I'm gonna add some coconut whipped cream right now. Ooh, yes. Looks so good. Hello, my healthy people. Say it with me. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. So, as promised, we will be making a delicious chocolate mousse. Yes, simple and easy chocolate mousse recipe. I will be adding 1/2 cups of cacao powder, and what I love about cacao powder is that it is the purest kind of cocoa that you can find, and it has more calcium than cow's milk. Yes, guys, I know you didn't know that, but this is why I cook a lot with cacao powder, because it's packed full of calcium, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. I have a can of coconut milk that I had in the refrigerator overnight. I will be scraping off the cream and leave the water to make a smoothie, and you'll be fine. So just add that in there. This is the canned cream, and then I have to get my spoon and really get in there and then just put it inside of here. Okay? And you're left with the water. Keep this, you can make smoothies with it. Okay, my healthy people, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, why not go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any videos. I'll be adding some date paste, and the date paste is gonna give it a nice sweet. Okay, this is what's gonna sweeten our beautiful mousse. Okay, I have 1/4 cup of date paste. If you have dates, you can use that as well. Make sure they are pitted. I'm gonna blend this together, and I may just add a little bit of that coconut water depending on my consistency once I blend this all together. If you like what you see so far, give this video a big thumbs up. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's just blend this together. See what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of the coconut water, just a little splash. All right, oh, that looks so good. Don't forget to add your salt. I'll be adding a pinch of salt to this. It's a pinch. Simple and easy. I'm just gonna give it a taste once I mix it around. Once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we also started our chair exercise, so check that out. I'm gonna leave the link for that video right now. Once you finish watching this one, of course, check out the chair exercise video. We have a whole series of chair exercises coming your way. Just go ahead and scrape it down once you've done that. And you see that it's starting to get the consistency that we're looking for, that nice chocolate mousse consistency. Once again, I am not making a lot. You can double the ingredients if you're making a lot. Let me just taste. Oh my goodness, very good. Okay. That's it, we're done. This is what I love about Maxine's Corner. We try to make healthy eating very simple and easy for everyone. There should be no excuses, guys, no excuses. Okay, guys, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna scrape it out in these small little containers and make it look pretty. Make it look pretty. Oh, you guys want to add some whipped cream to one of them? So what I'm gonna do to that is some coconut whipped cream right now. Ooh, yes. So now we will top it off with some delicious fresh organic raspberries. I love raspberries. You know what else we're gonna do? Get some cacao nibs. Yes, Maxine's Corner, you've done it again. Okay, my healthy people, this is our delicious chocolate mousse. Doesn't it look so yummy? Doesn't it look delicious? Yes, yes, yes. If you love what you see so far, if you love this deliciousness, go ahead and give this video what? big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it is free healthy tips. And now we have our chair exercises series coming out. It's a beautiful thing. Maxine's Corner. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time in another video, and stay healthy.